Okay, so what if I told you that the way we search the internet is about to become completely obsolete? Seriously. Imagine typing in any question, any request, and instead of getting that same old list of links, you get a single, clean, custom-built page created just for you right on the spot. This is the promise of a platform that doesn't want to just help you find the internet. It wants to create it for you. Let's get into it. To really wrap our heads around where we're going, we first have to talk about where we are right now. And for most of us, let's be honest, finding information online feels, well, it feels kind of broken.
I mean, really think about it. How often do you type something into a search bar and you're not excited? You're just bracing yourself. You know you're about to start a chore, not some fun exploration. It's like you're getting ready for a digital scavenger hunt you didn't even sign up for.
First off, there's the scroll. The endless scroll. Page after page of blue links, and you're just hoping, praying that one of them has the answer you're looking for buried somewhere inside. It's just so inefficient. And frankly, it's exhausting.
And then you have to navigate the minefield, right? You're constantly trying to dodge these websites that are perfectly engineered to show up at the top of the list, but offer you absolutely zero real value. They're just digital billboards pretending to be useful information.
And hey, even when you find some good sources, you're just hit with this wall of text. All you wanted was a simple answer, and now you've got 10 different tabs open, and you're trying to piece together the puzzle yourself. There's just way too much noise. So what's the alternative? Well, a company called Genspark is betting the farm on a totally radical idea. What if, instead of just finding stuff for you, an AI could actually build the perfect single web page to answer your question from scratch? And this right here, this is the fundamental shift. It's a whole new way of thinking. Traditional search engines, they're designed to go out and find pages that already exist. This new approach is all about creating a brand new page just for you in that very moment. That's the whole game, finding versus creating.
And they have a name for this custom-built page. They call it a Spark page. Now, this isn't some static document. Think of it more as a dynamic, living result that's put together by a whole team of AI agents the second you hit enter.
So what's so great about a Spark page? Well, it's basically designed to be everything a normal web page isn't. It's clean, totally ad-free, and personalized just for you. It pulls in summaries from the best sources out there, and it can even update itself as new info comes in. But honestly, the real game changer is the built-in AI Copilot. You can literally talk to the page, ask follow-up questions, and it will add new information or rewrite sections on the fly. It's like having a Wikipedia page that actually talks back to you. Okay, so you're probably thinking, how is this even possible? Well, the magic is all in the technology that's running under the hood. Genspark uses something called a mixture of agents system. And what that means is it's not one single giant AI doing all the work, it's a whole crew of specialized AIs working together as a team. So here's how it works. When you ask it something, a super agent, think of it like a project manager, breaks your request down into a bunch of smaller tasks. Then it assigns each one of those little tasks to the best specialist AI for that specific job. Finally, it pulls all their work together into your Spark page. And here's the really clever part. If one agent messes up or hits a dead end, the system is smart enough to backtrack and try a different approach. It's designed to be resilient. So what this means is, it's literally like having your own personal digital dream team on call 24/7. You've got a researcher to go find the info, a writer to make sense of it all, a data analyst to crunch the numbers and make charts, a coder, a designer, and even a fact checker to make sure it's all accurate. They all work together at the same time to build your result. And this is a stacked team, let me tell you. We're talking more than 9 of the world's top AI models, like GPT 4.1, Claude, and Gemini, plus over 80 other specialized tools. By combining all of them, the system can play to their strengths and basically eliminate the weaknesses of any one single model. It's pretty smart. But this super powerful system isn't just for answering trivia questions. It's really a whole suite of tools that act like a digital workforce, designed to get real stuff done for you in the real world. And some of these tools, honestly, they sound like they're straight out of a science fiction movie. For example, they have an agent that can literally pick up the phone and make calls for you. You can just give it a command like this, and the AI will actually, call the restaurant, talk to a person, and book that table for you. This is way beyond just processing text. It's an AI that's actually interacting with the real world to get a task done. And maybe the most mind-blowing part of this whole thing is that the system is asynchronous. What that means is you can give it a really complicated job, like, say, research the top 20 hotels in Paris and put them in a comparison spreadsheet, and then just walk away. You can close the tab, shut your laptop, whatever. The AI agents will keep chugging away in the background and just let you know when the job's done. It's a true fire and forget digital workforce. All right, so let's zoom out for a second. What does all of this really mean for the future of how we use the internet? Why does this big shift from getting links to having agents actually matter so much?
This quote right here gets to the absolute heart of their mission. It's all about fundamentally changing our relationship with technology. The goal is to shift the hard work, all that sifting and sorting and comparing, from our shoulders onto the AI's, so that it can just deliver a finished product, an outcome. And the people behind this are serious players. Genspark is run by former top executives from the tech giant Baidu, and they have deep partnerships with companies like Microsoft. In 2025, they made a really important change. They pivoted from just being another search engine to becoming a full agentic platform, which positions them as a major challenger in this whole new AI space. And they've got the resources to back it up. The company has already raised $160 million to make this vision happen. So, yeah, this isn't some small side project. This is a very well-funded mission to build the next generation of the web. So that brings us to the big question, doesn't it? Are we standing on the edge of a new era? One where we stop asking for lists of links and start demanding finished outcomes? Platforms like Genspark are betting everything that the answer is a resounding yes. But one thing is for sure, our entire idea of what it means to search for something online might be about to change forever.